Om Sai Ram, Vanakkam, welcome to Grandma's class. In today's class, we are going to talk about the topic homophones. As the word homophone suggests, it is about the sound. Homo means similar, phones means sound. So the words which have similar sounds will be called homophones, but they will have different meaning and different spelling. அதாவது ஹோமோஃபோன்கிறது ஒரு பேர் ஆஃப் வேர்ட்ஸ், ஒரே சப்தத்தை கொடுக்கக்கூடிய வார்த்தைகள், ஆனால் வித்தியாசமான எழுத்துக்களும் அர்த்தங்களும் இருக்கக்கூடிய வார்த்தைகள். அதை தான் நம்ம ஹோமோஃபோன்ஸ்னு சொல்கிறோம். Now let us see what are homophones. Homophones are pair of words which have same pronunciation but different meaning and different spelling. Now let us see some more examples to understand better. The first pair of words, birth, birth. Look at the spelling for the first one, B-I-R-T-H, and second word is B-E-R-T-H. Birth. First word birth refers to the birth of a child, coming of a child. Second word birth refers to the place of sleep. Now we'll see these words in a sentence. She gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. Second one, my grandfather wanted to have lower berth in the train. Next one, bear, bear. B-E-A-R, bear is an animal. B-A-R-E is without. Goldilocks and Three Bears is a famous story. Here the bears refers to the animal. The second one, he walked in barefoot on the beach, which means he walked without slippers or shoes on the beach. Third example, brake, brake. B-R-A-K-E, brake refers to the device to stop the vehicle. Next brake is to shatter or crack. Look at the sentence. The driver applied the brake to stop the car. Second one, the child breaks its toy when it is angry. Now look at the fourth one, check, check. C-H-E-C-K, check means to examine. C-H-E-Q-U-E, check means written order for money in bank. Now look at the sentence. The teacher checked all the notebooks, which means she examined all the notebooks. Second one, he gave me a check for 5,000 rupees. This check refers to the bank note. Fifth one, dose, dose. D-O-S-E, dose means quantity of medicine. D-O-Z-E, dose means light sleep. The doctor prescribed 3 doses of medicine. The baby dozed off after playing. Sixth one, duel, duel. D-U-A-L, duel refers to double. D-U-E-L refers to fight between two people. He has dual personality, which means he has 2 different types of personality. Second one, a duel took place between the brothers. So which means 2 brothers fought with each other. Seventh one, feet, feet. F-E-A-T, feet means skill, talent. Next one is parts of the body. She is appreciated for her feat of dance, which means she had a good skill of dancing. Next one, my feet is aching as I walk fast. Now look at the 8th example. Here we are given 3 words with the same pronunciation with different spelling and meaning. First, hair, H-A-I-R, hair, tress. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் தலைமுடி அது. Second, hair is a type of rabbit, முயல்ல ஒரு வகை. Third one, HEIR here is posterity. அதாவது நம்மளுடைய வாரிசு. She has a long hair. Second one பாருங்க. Hair is a very timid animal. Third one, Prince Charles is next heir to the throne. Ninth example, weak, weak. We all know the first word weak refers to the lacking strength. We are not strong enough to do the work. Second week is time, 7 days. She is too weak to run. Second one, there are 7 days in a week. 10th example, there. First there means pointing something or some noun. Second one, THEIR there shows the possession. Now look at the sentence. There are some fruits on the table, which means it is pointing out some fruits are on the table. Second sentence is, it is their house, which means the house belonged to them. Now let us see some more examples. Coat, 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 COURT, coat. Cell, 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 SELL, cell. Sight, 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 CITE, sight, SITE, sight, SIGHT, sight. Next one, DEW, dew, DUE, dew. Next one, DIE, die, DYE, die. Next one, RIGHT, right, WRITE, right. Story, 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 STOREY, story. The next one, fair, 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 FARE, fair. Heel, HEAL, heel, HEEL, heel. Loan, 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 LONE, loan. Next one, LOSC, loose, LWSC, loose. Meet, MEAT, meet, MEAT, meet. Rain, 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 REIN, rain. Last one, weather, weather. WEATHER, weather, WHETHER, weather. These are some of the homophones given here. Hope you understood about homophones. So when you come across these words, try to understand the exact meaning and the spelling of those words. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Om Sai Ram.